Hello and welcome to the Facebook Ads video series. In this particular video series, we're going to talk about how to create a Facebook ad properly, how to get your ad campaign up and running so that you can go ahead and promote your product or your fan page or whatever using Facebook ads. Fortunately, the good thing about Facebook ads is that any business owner can pretty much get their ad campaign up and running fairly quickly and easily in a matter of minutes. Now, there are things that you need to watch out for, and there are some research that you need to do before you actually set up your Facebook ad. So that's what we'll be talking about in this particular video series. Now, before I move on, I want to give you a quick overview of what this video series is all about so you know what to expect. Video number one is, of course, this particular video. It's introduction on Facebook ads. Video number two, the video after this video, is going to be on researching your target market. It's very, very important for you to actually do the proper research for your target market. And what I mean by that is not just researching your product and things like that, specifics on gathering the necessary materials and the details of your target market. For example, if you're going to set up a Facebook ad, let's say for candles, you want to know what type of buyer is going to be buying that specific candle that you are selling. Is it a male? Is it a female? What kind of age group? What kind of ethnicity? Things like that. And those are necessarily important because with Facebook, the great thing about Facebook is you can target people's demographics so detailed. It's not like Google AdWords where you're just targeting someone's like keywords and things like that, or location. But with Facebook, you can target with keywords, location, female, male, certain age group, and a lot deep and a lot further down. Video number three, we're going to talk about planning ahead just to make your ads work. Of course, before you start your campaign, you need to plan ahead. Fortunately, all these videos are very short so that you can get up and running within an hour or so. Video number four, we're going to talk about writing your ads. What are the do's and the don'ts of your writing your ads? Because there are specific guidelines that Facebook requires you to do. And of course, getting them approved. Unlike Google AdWords, where you create an ad and it automatically starts getting traffic, with Facebook ads, you have to get your ad approved. Sometimes it can take several hours up to a day just to get it approved. So you want to make sure that you are following the guidelines so you don't waste time. In video number five, we'll talk about setting up your ads and then, of course, testing your ads to ensure that they actually work. Once you set up your campaign, it's running, it's successfully running, bringing in traffic, then what? Well, in video six, we'll talk about how to increase your networking and build relationships, how to basically increase the amount of traffic going to your fan page and things like that. Now I want to briefly talk about the tools that you're going to need. Fortunately for you, we're just going to be using the internet. So we're going to use websites like Google Trends, Quantcast, Alexa, and more. You also will need to create a niche profile. What I mean by that is, let's say you are creating a Facebook campaign about candles. In terms of advertising, you're going to need to, advertise out of one account. But with the niche profile, and you might be thinking, I'm confused, but the niche profile is just so that you can, it's sort of like your user account. If I'm going to be doing candles, I probably want to make a candles profile so that I can add friends and things like that, or you can have a fan page. But you'll see what I'm talking about when I actually show you step by step in the video series, and you'll be able to follow step by step quickly and easily. Now you know what to expect. We can actually move through this video series and video course quite quickly. So on the same day that you're watching this, you should be able to set up your ad fairly quickly and easily.